Wait and see.
Throwing a generic prompt at GPT 5.5 is burning money. The model ignores half your instructions anyway. You need specific syntax for specific models. We tested the PromptPrepare library to find out. The results completely changed 2026 workflow. The PromptPrepare library stops the guessing game by applying distinct scaffolding for each major LLM. We found that Claude 4.8 hallucinates less when you wrap your constraints in explicit XML tags rather than natural language commands. By defining the input and output schemas within prompt structure, doc tags, you force the attention mechanism to adhere to the formatting rules, which drastically cuts down on the need for reprompting. DeepSeek-V4 operates on a different logic stack that benefits heavily from visible chain-of-thought reasoning. The library injects a step-by-step parameter, requires the model to output its reasoning trace before the final code block. This extra compute step initially increases latency by roughly 15%, but it reduces logical errors in complex algorithmic tasks by over 40% according to our internal benchmarking. GPT 5.5 has moved beyond simple completion and now requires strict JSON mode for function calling reliability. PromptPrepare automatically converts your prompt requirements into a JSON schema that is attached to the API call header. Instead of asking the model to return a JSON object, the library defines the response format type as JSON schema, ensuring the output is always parsable without error handling middleware. The code review template provided in the guide targets the specific weakness of each model. For Llama 4, the template emphasizes security vulnerability scanning, while for Claude 4.8 it focuses on Python string compliance. The library builds these prompts dynamically by pulling the repository's contributing guidelines and injecting them into the system context window, so the review matches your repository's specific style guide. Refactoring legacy code requires an architectural template that understands dependencies. The PromptPrepare refactoring scaffold first asks the model to generate a dependency graph before touching a single line of code. This prevents the AI from breaking imports or circular references, a common failure mode when using generic refactor this prompts. We saw a 90% reduction in broken build pipelines when using this two-step process on a monolithic Java codebase. Architectural planning demands high-level abstraction that most models struggle to maintain in long sessions. The library uses a rolling context window technique that summarizes previous decisions and feeds them back as system constraints for the next iteration. This keeps the model from contradicting its earlier design choices when generating database schemas or API endpoints for a new microservice deployment strategy. We measured the token efficiency of these templates against standard prompting methods over a period of 3 weeks. The structured prompts reduced the average token count per successful task by 22% because the models did not waste tokens on conversational filler or apologies. This translates to direct cost savings on API usage, especially when you are running thousands of automated jobs per day. The guide includes a copy-paste template for the God mode debugging prompt, which forces the model to adopt a root cause analysis persona. It disables the model's standard safety filters for code execution suggestions by framing the request within a sandbox simulation tag. This allows the model to suggest potentially destructive commands for testing purposes without triggering the generic refusal mechanisms seen in standard GPT 5.5 deployments. One critical finding is that mixing syntaxes between models causes immediate performance degradation. Using Claude-style XML tags for DeepSeek-V4 confuses the tokenizer and leads to truncated outputs. PromptPrepare abstracts this complexity away so your application code calls a single generate function, while the library handles the model-specific syntax translation behind the scenes. Implementation requires setting a local environment variable for your API keys and installing the package via pip. Once installed, you initialize the client with your target model string, such as GPT 5.5 Turbo or DeepSeek-V4 Previews. The library then validates your prompt against the model's maximum context window and automatically truncates or summarizes the input if it exceeds the limit, preventing 400 bad request errors. The future of AI interaction is not about chatting with a bot. It is about issuing structured commands that execute reliably. By adopting these templates, you move from the randomness of natural language prompting to the precision of software engineering. The PromptPrepare library essentially turns an LLM into a deterministic function in your codebase, rather than a probabilistic wildcard that breaks your unit tests. You can grab the full library documentation and the copy-paste templates for GPT 5.5, DeepSeek-V4, and Claude 4.8 in the description below. We included the exact JSON schemas and XML structures we used in our benchmarks, so you can replicate these results immediately. Subscribe to Wait and See for more breakdowns on the tools that actually work in production.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.